Welcome to the EdbMails Office 365 migration tool. In today's digital landscape, organizations often face the complexities of Office 365 migrations. Imagine integrating systems and seamlessly transferring mailbox data and public folders, including critical emails, contacts, calendars, events, and more. Meet Emily and her IT team, who are tasked with a high-stakes Office 365 migration project. Initially, they rely on manual methods and custom scripts, facing cumbersome processes, frequent errors, and data security issues. Emily discovers EdbMails, a simple, secure software designed to perform Office 365 migration. Key features of EdbMails Office 365 migration software. EdbMails automates mailbox data migration by ensuring its accuracy and efficiency, automatically creates mailboxes on the target Office 365 and Exchange server. Automatically maps source mailboxes to the target mailboxes for the migration. EdbMails supports complete tenant-to-tenant migration, including mailboxes, public folders, archive mailboxes, and more. It automatically generates comprehensive migration reports, enabling you to review the migration status. Designed to support incremental migration, which migrates only the new and modified data during consecutive migration operations. Its ability to perform concurrent mailbox migrations enhances the overall migration performance. EdbMails utilizes modern authentication for Microsoft 365, providing superior security compared to traditional methods. With advanced protections such as SSL/TLS encryption, OAuth 2.0, and multi-factor authentication, EdbMails guarantees that your data remains secure throughout the entire migration process. Certified with ISO and fully compliant with GDPR and HIPAA, EdbMails upholds the highest standards of data protection and privacy, ensuring that your data migration is secure and meets rigorous regulatory requirements. With EdbMails, Emily's team completes the migration securely and precisely, ensuring zero data loss and maintaining seamless operational continuity without any downtime. Transform your Office 365 migration experience. Visit edbmails.com to get started today.